In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy. If you've been taking a well-deserved break from your Etsy store, or perhaps you've had your shop closed for any reason and you're now ready to get back to business, you'll need to ensure your shop is back online. So let's walk through the steps to turn your shop back on so you can start selling again. First, open your browser, whichever one you prefer, and head over to Etsy.com. It's the first step to accessing all the wonderful features that Etsy has to offer to shop owners. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, look for the login button. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so ensure you're using a strong and unique password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Etsy homepage. Here, you need to navigate to the Shop Manager. This feature is a central hub for everything related to managing your shop, and it's crucial for making operational changes like the one we're tackling today. You can usually find the Shop Manager link at the top or the bottom of the Etsy homepage, depending on the layout you have. Give that a click. Once you're in the Shop Manager, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see various options that allow you to manage different aspects of your shop. Look for the Settings link. This is your gateway to tweaking how your shop operates, including turning off vacation mode. Next, select Options from the menu that appears. By selecting this, you'll be one step closer to reviving your shop from its vacation slumber. Options are like the control panel for your shop, providing you with access to a variety of settings. Now, in the Options menu, search for the tab labeled Vacation Mode. Etsy makes it fairly straightforward. The tab is ready to help those who have been away and are now eager to get back to business. When you find this tab, it's time to make the crucial change. You'll see a toggle for Vacation Mode. It's probable that this is already set to On. If your shop is in vacation mode, what you'll need to do is simply toggle this from on to off. By doing this, you're putting the virtual open sign back on your shop store, ready for customers to come pouring in and explore your wonderful creations. Now, before you close up this task, one last thing you'll want to do is save these changes. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This final action ensures that Etsy records your decision and your shop is officially back online. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off vacation mode on your Etsy shop. Now your shop is ready to receive visitors and hopefully plenty of sales. Thank you for watching and enjoy being back in business on Etsy.